it's no secret that the Republicans are doing very poorly with the black community and the young community. So we're very interested in the types of ideas that conservative Republicans in the black community have about why the message is not getting across, or how we can get the message to today's black community that after 50 years of the war on poverty, big government, welfare, subsidized everything, somehow the position of the black community hasn't really improved, and it's time to start looking towards other solutions.
Thank you.